Step into the BMW 2015 3 Series 335i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system with touchpad, driver assistance package, premium package, Harman Kardon surround sound system, mineral white metallic, saddle brown EXCL, stitched Dakota leather upholstery, sports seats, transmission, 8-speed Steptronic automatic, STD, and wheels, 18. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.